Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor with key absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Click on Delta Executor, so it should load up like this, and then we will have to enter our username or our user ID of our account. So I will just enter my username, and guys, don't worry because it's the only thing that we will actually enter. Click connect account, it will start fetching our Roblox profile, and guys, you should get this account for confirmation. So guys, if it's you, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. And now we will have to click import newest Delta Executor, and if you want, you can select additional scripts to install along your Delta. So these scripts will be installed 100% and they will have their key, they will be also activated. So I will select these 4 scripts: overflow, forge, NICUs, and Soluna. So I will just continue with this. If you want, guys, you can continue only with Delta, but I will go with these 4 additional scripts. So let's see what we will get. API is connecting, as you can see. So nice, guys. API is connected, our Delta is ready, and our activation key is there as well. Nice. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we will get. So nice, guys. Our user ID is connected and our Delta Executor key is there as well. Look at this, guys. Now we got our Delta Executor key fully revealed and we will get it activated. Let's open our Roblox and let's test is it actually working, guys. I'm so excited. Let's see. So I will open Grow a Garden, for example. I like this game, so I'll just continue with this. And let's wait a little bit, guys, so we make sure that we're actually getting Delta. And let's wait. So, oh my god, guys. Oh my god, we actually got our Delta Executor. Look at this, guys. Thank you for using Delta. I cannot believe, guys, I'm literally shaking because I didn't expect this, to be honest. And let's check for the scripts, guys. We also got our overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna scripts as we selected. Let's click execute on Forge Hub, guys, and let's wait a little bit so we make sure that it actually works. And look at this, guys. Game detected, grow a garden. You can also go, guys, there and search game you like blocks, fruits. Let's search like this, and guys, you will get a list of blocks, fruits. Yeah, you should get a list of scripts and you can execute literally whatever you like. Guys, it's sick. It actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working one. Look at this, guys. Now we can do whatever we like. We can teleport. Yeah, it works amazing. Player walk speed. Let's test this. No clip. Yeah, guys, it's sick. We actually got our working Delta Executor. I cannot believe, guys, I'm going to play my Roblox literally whole day. I'm so excited. I will explore more scripts, guys. Bloxforge.com is legit website where you can get this Delta Executor along the key, guys. That's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.